Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Vibes. I'm Emma.
And I'm Paul.
And today we're heading somewhere that's part of almost everyone's life, the supermarket.
Ah, yes. The magical place where you go to buy just one thing and somehow walk out with 20.
So true. I think that happens to all of us. Every single time I plan to buy only milk, I end up with snacks, candles, and some random shampoo I didn't even need.
Exactly. I swear there's something about those aisles that hypnotizes you. You walk in confident and walk out broke.
I think it's the bright lights and the buy one, get one free signs. They make you think you're saving money, but really, you're spending more.
Totally. Anyway, today we're going shopping together. Just a normal, friendly trip to the supermarket. And we'll chat about everything, from what we buy to why we buy it.
Right. So, get your shopping list ready, everyone. Let's walk in.
Okay, first question. Are you a list person or a just wing it person?
Oh, I'm definitely a list person. I love making lists. It makes me feel organized, even though I still forget things.
Yeah, I can see that. I'm the opposite. I never make a list. I just go and hope my brain remembers everything.
And how's that working out for you?
Terribly. I always forget something important. Last week, I bought bread, butter, and jam, but no knife to spread them with.
That's such a Paul thing to do. Okay, so today you're shopping with me. We're doing this properly.
Deal. So what's first on your list?
Let's see. I've got milk, eggs, vegetables, bread, and coffee. What about you?
Mine says cereal, fruit, cheese, and, okay, fine, chips.
I knew it! You can't resist snacks.
Nope. Life's too short to say no to chips.
All right, let's grab a trolley and head in.
Wait, do you prefer the big trolley or the small basket?
Always the big trolley. I tell myself it's just for comfort, but really it's because I know I'll end up filling it.
Same. And somehow, the bigger the trolley, the more I spend. It's like my brain thinks, there's still space. Keep shopping.
Exactly. Okay, first stop, fruits and vegetables. But before that, let's just take a moment to appreciate this place.
Yeah, bright lights, shiny floors, soft music, and that fresh smell of bread coming from the bakery section.
It's kind of relaxing, isn't it? Like a little adventure.
An adventure where your wallet is the hero, or the victim.
True. All right, here we go. Fruits first.
Oh wait, look! Free samples!
No, Paul, focus. We just got here.
But it's free! It's the best part of shopping.
Fine, fine. But don't eat too much. You'll ruin your appetite.
Don't worry. These little samples don't even count as food. They're more like research.
Okay, researcher Paul. Let's actually start buying things.
So, I always start my shopping with fruits and vegetables. It feels like I'm being responsible right at the beginning.
Yeah, me too. Even though I know the real reason I do it is because it looks healthy on the receipt.
Oh my gosh, yes. You feel good when the cashier sees apples and carrots on top, not chocolate and chips.
Exactly. It's like, look at me. I'm a responsible adult.
Totally. So, what fruit do you usually buy?
Apples and bananas. They're easy. No washing, no cutting, no drama.
Simple and smart. I like oranges and grapes.
Nice. Do you ever buy weird fruits just to try? Like dragon fruit or passion fruit?
Sometimes, but half the time I don't even know how to eat them.
Same. I once bought a pomegranate and spent 20 minutes just figuring out how to open it.
That's the struggle. Okay, I'm taking some bananas, apples, and a few lemons. You?
I'll grab some mangoes, even though they're expensive, and maybe a watermelon.
You're brave. Carrying a watermelon is a workout.
true, but worth it. Okay, that's fruits done. Next, vegetables.
Right. I need tomatoes, spinach, and onions.
I'll get potatoes, maybe some bell peppers. Oh, and garlic, because food without garlic is just sad. Couldn't agree more. Garlic makes everything better.
So true. And look at these cucumbers. Why are they all different sizes?
That's nature, Paul. Not every cucumber wants to be perfect.
Fair enough. All right. I think we're done here.
Okay, next stop, the bakery section. My favorite.
Oh yeah. Nothing beats that smell of fresh bread.
Right? It's like happiness in the air.
Okay, let's go before I start buying everything here.
You know what's funny, Paul? I actually enjoy grocery shopping.
Really? Most people hate it.
Yeah, but I think of it as me time. I walk around, choose what I want, and listen to music while shopping.
That's true. It can be kind of relaxing, unless the store is crowded.
Ugh, yes. Saturday evenings are the worst. Everyone's there and the queues never end.
Exactly. That's why I shop early in the morning. You get peace, fresh stock, and no one judging how long you stare at the cereal shelf.
True. Choosing cereal is a serious decision.
Yes, there are like 50 types. Chocolate, honey, oats, with nuts, without nuts. It's like cereal drama.
Cereal drama. That's the perfect name for your autobiography.
I'll take that. Okay, we've got our fruits and veggies. Let's roll toward the bakery.
All right, here we are. I can smell the fresh croissants already.
That's dangerous. I can't resist warm bread.
Same. It's like the smell is calling your name. Paul, buy me.
And I always listen. Okay, what are you getting?
Some brown bread, maybe a few rolls. What about you?
Definitely white bread. It's softer and great for toast.
You and your toast obsession.
Hey, it's breakfast perfection. Butter melting on toast with a cup of coffee? Heaven.
Okay, fine. I'll admit that sounds good.
And do you ever bake at home?
Sometimes. I love baking muffins on weekends. The smell fills the whole house.
That sounds amazing. I tried baking once, ended up with something that looked like bread, but tasted like regret.
Oh, Paul, that's why you're better off buying it from here.
Agreed. Let's get our bread and move on to the dairy section next.
Perfect. Milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, all the essentials. Okay, now that we've reached the vegetable section, I have a question. Do you actually enjoy eating vegetables, Paul?
Enjoy is a strong word. I eat them because I have to. Like, they're the entry ticket to adulthood.
Entry ticket to adulthood. That's so true. But come on, some veggies are actually nice.
Maybe, but if vegetables tasted like pizza, I'd eat more of them.
That's not how it works. Okay, so what veggies do you buy regularly?
Potatoes, carrots, onions, you know, the safe ones. They're simple and go with everything.
Classic choices. I buy spinach, tomatoes, and broccoli because I'm trying to be healthy.
Ah, broccoli. The vegetable that looks like a tree and tastes like sadness.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. You just have to cook it right.
Yeah, sure. You can cover it in cheese and pretend it's delicious.
Hey, whatever works. But seriously, I think vegetables are underrated. They give you energy, vitamins, all that good stuff.
True. But here's the thing. I always want to eat healthy. But then I see chips or chocolate and my brain forgets what vitamins mean.
I think we all do that. Healthy eating is like a relationship. You start strong and then get distracted by fries.
Exactly. Like, one week I'm making smoothies and salads, and the next week I'm eating cookies for breakfast.
Cookies for breakfast. Wow, that's bold.
Don't judge me. They go well with coffee.
Okay, fine. I'll admit I've done that too, but only on Mondays.
So basically every Monday is cookie breakfast day?
Pretty much. Okay, but tell me, do you ever buy organic vegetables?
Sometimes. But honestly, I'm not sure if I can taste the difference.
Yeah, same. I like the idea of organic, but sometimes the price just makes me go, you know what? Pesticides build character.
Oh my gosh, that's terrible. But true. Organic food is like luxury vegetables.
Exactly. It's like they grew up in a private school.
With soft music and filtered water.
And they're all like, we're better than you, normal carrots.
Okay, that's the funniest thing I've heard today. But you know, I do like farmers markets. Everything feels fresher there.
Oh, yes. And you actually talk to the people who grow the food. It makes you feel like you're part of something nice and healthy.
Yeah, and sometimes they give free samples. That's my favorite part.
Of course. You and your free samples.
Hey, you can never say no to free food. It's like a rule of life.
True. Okay, I think we've got all our fruits and veggies. My basket looks like a rainbow. So colorful.
Mine too, though mine looks more like half healthy, half lazy.
That should be your life motto.
Probably. Okay, before we move on, tell me, do you actually cook a lot at home?
I do actually. I love cooking. It's relaxing for me.
Nice. What's your go-to dish?
Probably pasta with vegetables and some creamy sauce. It's easy and delicious.
That sounds amazing. I mostly make sandwiches. I'm a master of the 5-minute dinner.
Hey, that still counts as cooking.
Yeah, but I always tell people I prepare meals instead of make sandwiches. It sounds more professional.
Meal preparation specialist.
Exactly. Add that to my resume.
You're ridiculous, Paul. But seriously, cooking can be fun if you have the right ingredients. That's why I like grocery shopping. It gives me ideas.
Yeah, I get that. Like when you see something new and think, I could totally make that. And then, 2 weeks later, it's still in your fridge.
Guilty. I once bought a jar of pickles thinking I'd make burgers. The burgers never happened, but the pickles stayed forever.
That's relatable. I once bought spinach for smoothies, and it turned into spinach soup by accident.
Ew. Okay, we need to work on your cooking habits.
Please do. I clearly need help.
All right, so we've done fruits and veggies. Next up, dairy section. But before we go, let's talk about how to stay healthy without going crazy.
Ooh, the great balance question. Okay, what's your rule?
I try to follow the 80-20 rule. Eat healthy 80% of the time and enjoy treats 20% of the time.
Nice. I like that. My rule is simpler. If it tastes good, I'll worry later.
That's not a rule. That's chaos.
It's called living in the moment.
Sure, keep telling yourself that. But honestly, balance is everything. You don't have to give up pizza. Just don't eat the whole pizza every day.
Fair. Moderation is key. And also, walking helps.
Yes. Walking after meals, drinking more water, getting enough sleep. Small habits make a big difference.
True. I'm trying to drink more water. I even downloaded an app that reminds me.
Oh, the water alarm one? I had that too. It kept buzzing all day. I felt like I worked for the water company.
Same. After 3 days, I uninstalled it. But hey, I still try.
That's what matters. Little steps, right?
Right. Speaking of steps, how many do you think we've walked just shopping today?
Probably enough to burn one cookie.
Wow, so efficient. Burn a cookie, buy 10 more.
That's called life balance.
You should write a book about that.
Maybe I will. How to be healthy while eating cookies.
I'd buy that. Okay, let's head to the dairy section before I start craving everything in sight.
Yes, let's go. And maybe we can pick up something refreshing, like juice or smoothies.
Perfect. And maybe cheese. And butter. And probably more cheese.
You and your cheese obsession.
Hey, don't judge. Cheese makes life better.
All right, Mr. Cheese Lover. Onward to dairy.
You know, Emma, I was thinking, it's funny how grocery stores say so much about people.
What do you mean?
Like, if you look at someone's shopping cart, you can tell what kind of week they're having.
True. Like, if you see only ice cream and chips, that person's either celebrating or recovering from heartbreak.
Exactly. And if you see someone buying spinach, protein bars, and mineral water, they probably just joined the gym.
Or they're trying to convince themselves to be healthy.
Yes. And then there's the parents' cart, full of cereal, milk, snacks, and baby wipes.
You can always tell. And mine usually looks like half adult, half child. Pasta, chocolate, and face masks.
That's perfect. Mine's just bachelor survival kit. Bread, eggs, coffee, and chips.
Simple and efficient. Okay, now that's the end of the produce section. Let's move on before we start analyzing everyone's carts like detectives.
Deal. Dairy section, here we come.
Okay, we've got all the healthy stuff, fruits, veggies, bread, milk, and yogurt. Now, my favorite part, snacks.
Ah, here comes the real reason you love grocery shopping. Chips, cookies, and chocolate bars. The fun aisle.
Don't pretend you're innocent. Last time you filled half the basket with chips.
Hey, that was research. I was comparing flavors. Classic salted, cheese, spicy barbecue. Purely professional work.
Oh, really? And what did your research conclude?
That cheese flavor is the best. But I need to repeat the experiment just to be sure.
Uh-huh. All right, let's grab one bag of chips each. No more than that.
Fine. I'll take my cheese ones. You're going for...
Honey barbecue. Sweet and spicy. Just like me.
That's true. Okay, what's next on the list?
Let's see. We still need cereal, juice, and maybe some pasta. Oh, and coffee.
Coffee. Yes, that's the real priority. You know how I can't survive mornings without it.
I know. If you ever run out of coffee, the whole world will know.
Guilty. All right, let's head to the coffee aisle.
I love the smell here. Even the packages smell like coffee somehow.
Yeah, it's like walking into a cozy cafe. So, do we go for ground coffee or instant?
Let's take both. Ground for weekends, instant for busy mornings.
Smart plan. Okay, I'll grab the medium roast. You like dark roast, right?
Yep, it tastes richer. All right, that's coffee sorted.
Awesome. Now juice.
Orange or apple?
Both. You take orange, I'll take apple. That way, we don't have to argue.
Deal. Oh, and cereal. You still eat those chocolate puffs?
Of course. They make mornings happy.
You're basically a kid in disguise.
And proud of it. What's your cereal choice this week?
I'll go with oats. Healthy and filling. Gotta balance out all those chips.
Fair enough. Okay, we're almost done. Let's head to the checkout before we get distracted again. All right, payment done. That beep sound is the best. Means we survived another shopping trip.
Finally. My feet hurt. Carrying these bags home is going to be a workout.
You said you wanted to exercise more. Here's your chance.
Why do I always say things that come back to haunt me?
Because you make life entertaining. That's why.
Aw, thanks. Okay, ready to head home?
Yup, let's go. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us on today's episode of Mr. English Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed shopping with us and learned some new English words for your next supermarket visit.
Remember to practice. Try saying these sentences when you go shopping next time.
And don't forget, language learning is like shopping too. The more you practice, the better you get at picking the right words.
That's a good one.
Thank you. So guys, if you like this episode,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
See you next time with another fun English conversation.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and stay awesome.
Bye everyone.
Bye.